Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we're looking at the integral of 1 all over x plus 1 squared times x minus 2 dx. How do you evaluate this integral of this rational function? So this can be split down into a function that will be relatively easy for us to integrate by using partial fractions. So we have to split this one down by using partial fractions. So how do you do that? So 1 all over x plus 1 squared times x minus 2. This one can be split into a all over the first factor is x plus 1 plus b all over the second factor is x plus 1 squared plus c all over the third factor is x minus 2. So these are the three factors in this denominator. So the LCM is x plus 1 times x minus 2. It should be squared, x plus 1 squared. On the left hand side, we just have to write down our rational function again. So this denominator divided by this, that should be the answer. The answer to that should be a multiplied by x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus b. What should be the product? The term multiplying b. So that should be x minus 2 plus c. What should be the term multiplying c? That is x plus 1 squared. So the denominators are the same. We expect the numerators to be the same as well. So 1 is equals to a. Can multiply this one out. X plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is x squared minus 2x plus x, that will be minus x minus 2 plus b multiplied by x minus 2 plus c multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 1, that is expanding x plus 1 all squared. So 1 should be equal to, we can multiply a out, ax squared minus ax minus 2a plus bx minus 2b plus cx squared plus 2cx plus c. Next, we can group like terms by bringing all the squares, x squares together. There's only one here, and one there. So that is a plus c times x squared. What about the x's? Plus negative a has x, b has x, and then plus 2c. And then a constant, that is 2a minus 2b plus c. So by comparing both sides now, we have a plus c, which is the coefficient of x squared in the right hand side. That is equal to 0. There is no x squared term in the left hand side. Then in the left hand side, we just have 1. So you can call the equation 1. What about the coefficient of x? That is negative a plus b plus 2c. That is equal to 0 as well, equation 2. The reason being that there is no coefficient of x term in the left hand side, so that is equal to 0. Next is the constant. The constant term in the right hand side is negative 2a minus 2b plus c, and that is equal to 1, equation 3. So these are the three equations we should have to solve simultaneously to get the values of a, b, and c. So I won't do this. But if you are solving these equations simultaneously, the value of a is going to be negative 1 over 9. That of b is going to be negative 1 over 3. And c is equal to 1 over 9. If you plug these values into any of these equations, you are going to satisfy all these equations. So these are the values of a, b, and c that will satisfy these equations. Now we can plug them into our function here. So our rational function. Let me write it again, which is 1 all over x plus 1 squared times x minus 2 was written as a all over first factor x plus 1 plus b all over the second factor x plus 1 squared plus c all over the third factor x minus 2. Now this x plus 1 squared times x minus 2 can now be written as a. A is negative 1 over 9. So that is negative 1 over 9 multiplied by 1 over x plus 1 plus b. B is negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 times 1 all over x plus 1 squared plus c. C is positive 1 over 9 times 1 over x minus 2. So this is how our rational function is now split. So in the right hand side, we can easily integrate this now. But this will be very difficult for us to integrate. I don't know if there's any idea how we can integrate this without splitting it down using the partial fractions. So now let's go ahead and integrate this. That's what we wanted. X plus 1 squared, x minus 2 dx is equals to integrate negative 1 over 9 times 1 over x plus 1 minus 1/3 1 over x plus 1 squared plus 1/9 1 over x minus 2 all this dx here. So now let's tackle this. Let's split this one down into three integrals. First integral is negative 1 over 9, the integral of 1 all over x plus 1 dx, minus 1 over 3, the integral of 1 all over x plus 1 squared dx, plus 1 over 9, the integral of 1 all over x minus 2 dx. So call this one I1, call this one I2, call this one I3. So I1 and I3 is really a no-brainer. So these are just a natural logarithm of the denominators, because when you differentiate the denominator, that is just equal to the numerator. So I'll just do those ones. So negative 1 over 9 natural logarithm of x plus 1 minus 1/3 the integral of 1 over x plus 1 squared. This is squared, so I'll do this one separately, dx, plus 1/9 the natural logarithm of x minus 2. If we are not done, we can put plus c because of this. So we have to integrate the I2. I2 should be the integral of 1 all over x plus 1 squared. You can use a u-sub here. So using u-sub, let u be equal to x plus 1. Du dx is equals to 1. Du is equals to dx. So we can plug everything into our integral, and we take our integral from the x world into the u world. So x plus 1 squared, x plus 1 is u, so that's u squared. Dx is du. That is the integral of u to the negative 2 du. So that is just using the power rule here. So that is add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. That is u to the negative 1 divided by negative 1. So that is negative 1 over u. Alright, yeah, that's it. So our I2, we can now take everything back from the u world into the x world. So that is negative 1 over u. U is x plus 1. So that is negative 1 over x plus 1. And that is the integral for I2, which we can now plug back here and put our plus c. Now, our original integral, which we are asked to find, 1 all over x plus 1 squared, x minus 2 squared, x minus 2 dx is equals to I1. I1 is negative 1 over 9 natural log of x plus 1. Minus 1 over 3 times the integral of I2. Minus 1 over 3 I2, this was the value of the integral. Negative 1 over x plus 1. And then I3, that is plus 1 over 9 natural log of x minus 2. Let's simplify this and put our plus c. Negative 1 over 9 natural logarithm of x plus 1. This negative that's positive, plus 1/3 times 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over 9 natural logarithm of x minus 2. This is the same as 1/9 into natural logarithm of x minus 2 minus the natural logarithm of x plus 1. That is grouping this and this together and factorizing out 1 over 9 plus 1/3 times 1 over x plus 1. And this one can be written as the natural logarithm of x minus 2 all over x plus 1 plus 1/3 times 1 over x plus 1. So our integral of 1 all over x plus 1 squared x minus 2 dx is equals to 1/9 natural logarithm of the absolute value of x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 1/3 times 1 over x plus 1 plus the constant of integration. And this is the value of our integral. So if you find that helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.